Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion, Notability, and GoodNotes. We'll explore their core functionalities, helping you understand which application best suits your productivity needs. Notion offers an all-in-one workspace, while Notability and GoodNotes specialize in digital handwriting. We'll delve into their unique features, from database management to integrated audio recording and customizable paper templates to guide your decision. Notion stands out as a highly customizable workspace, perfect for managing projects, notes, and tasks. Its powerful database system allows you to organize information in countless ways, from simple lists to complex wikis. You can integrate various content types, including over 50 block types, and collaborate seamlessly with team members on shared pages, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. When it comes to digital handwriting, Notability and GoodNotes are top contenders. Notability uniquely syncs audio recordings with your handwritten notes, allowing you to revisit lectures or meetings with ease. GoodNotes, on the other hand, provides an incredibly natural writing experience with dozens of pen styles and hundreds of customizable paper templates, making it feel like real paper. Both excel at annotating PDFs. Deciding between these three depends on your primary use case. If you need a robust, all-in-one solution for project management, task tracking, and team collaboration, Notion is your best bet. For students or professionals who prioritize handwritten notes synchronized with audio, Notability is ideal. Finally, if you seek the most authentic and customizable digital handwriting experience, GoodNotes will be your perfect companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.